This morning on Facebook, I saw a post about preparedness and making sure to have all those items and documents on hand. And this list is a good reminder not only for the documents on hand, but such things as taking a video of your home, what you have in there. So I thought I would share this video because others really thanked me and found it was very helpful. And I certainly know that this is not an easy topic, especially with what's happening in California or what happened in North Carolina, but it's really a good time to think about making sure you have everything on hand. And this is a great list to refer to, and the link, which I'll put there, will be on this presentation, and in this case it's prepare for and survive a wildfire. Now on slide 17, as you scroll down, you will see that list on there as well. So again, great list. Go through that, see what you have, not have. Also, things for your kids and your furry friends. Those are things to think about as well. Now, other things to think about is you probably have a safety deposit box, and if you do, what should you have in there? What should you not? In this case, like you might have your passport or another document that is in the safety deposit box, which may not really be the right situation. So it says here you should avoid storing other documents that you might need unexpectedly, and like your social security card, because the bank may be closed. You can scan a lot of these documents and then put them there. But again, it's probably something to think about. What should you put in there and not put in there? The other thing too is you might ask yourself, is your safety deposit box fireproof? It may not be, and chances are probably it's not. So something to maybe even ask the bank. And here's some other good information. So I'll put a link to both of these as well. Now on this list, one of the things they mention is a thumb drive of video and all contents. One of the drives that I have, and this is a great one, it's really small. They have different sizes, and I did a video on this. This works where you can make it into a drive with your phone and back up files and photos and videos, but you can also use this as a drive on your computer through Type-C. Very small, lightweight, and it's a perfect way to go. I'll put a link to my video so you could see that. And something else to think about too is you might have Google Drive, you might have Dropbox. This is another one that I have as a separate account. And I have a 500 gigabyte for $9.95 a year. I might not even need that much. So I'm actually thinking about, downgrading to the 100 gigabytes, although I think I'd be out of storage. So maybe, again, $9.95 would be perfect, and it works great. And I'll be sure to put my referral link to that as well. So a lot of great options out there. But again, make sure you go through the list, got everything set, go over it with your significant other, with your kids, whatever it might be, and have that peace of mind. So again, wanted to share this with you. Please share this with others so they can be prepared. And I hope this videos have helped. And most importantly, stay safe out there. We'll see you on the next one, and take care.